As a child, I grew up with two lawyer parents. They were the founders of Warnken, LLC. Both of my parents instilled hard work, so sometimes that was tough, but ultimately the hard work that they instilled in me from a very young age is part of me today. My father is somewhat of a legend in the Maryland legal community. He is known throughout the state for really bringing his A game in every case, and that's something that I've tried to keep in mind as I practice law, that I need to bring my A game in every case. I learned two really important things from my father. You need to outwork the other side, and you need to be a good person. I didn't find this work found me because I like to push back.
Well, I worked for this moving company, and I got hurt on the job. I went inside and got a box and brought it out, and I slipped, and I fell on the outside steps. To me, it was serious. My neck, my back, I had bumped my head, and I really didn't know that I had a concussion until after I went to the doctor, and they told me that's what it was. I never missed a day. I'm there for 2 years. I'm a crew leader. I got good reports. And all it took was one accident for me to find out that, sometimes loyalty is not enough for some people. Warnken's LLC was a blessing. The first thing that came out their mouth was, tell me what's wrong, what you want me to do. And they have your back 1,000%.
On the job several years ago, I had injured my ankle while out searching for a missing person. Later on, several months down the road, it turns out that the injury was worse than I initially thought. I had to go in for surgery, was off work for about 8 weeks to recover from that. I had contacted Byron Warnken's law firm. They're not gonna just tell you what you wanna hear. If they don't know the answer, they're gonna tell you that they don't know it and they're gonna research it. When I called Rebecca and explained what happened, she just automatically jumped in and took care of all the details, made all the arrangements. Rebecca handled everything perfectly. She took all the weight off my shoulders so that I did not have to worry about anything.
Our firm is different from other firms because of the relationships. That's what's different. And you can see that by going and looking at our Google reviews. Our lawyers are working one-on-one with injured clients to help them heal. What does justice mean to one person who has been injured? It means that they're treated with dignity. It means that they're getting the medical treatment they need. And it means that they're getting fair compensation for their injuries. That's justice on a practical level, day to day, for someone who's been injured. At Warnken LLC, we promise that our clients won't be confused, that our clients will have an aggressive, experienced advocate in their corner, and that we will fight so they can heal. I think that it's really important to fight for the little guy because we should all be equal. Truly, we are all equal in the eyes of the law. And it's important that the less advantaged have an advocate fighting that fight for them